I knew when we got cool, we would end up somewhere quiet by the water where the waves crash down. I just knew when I met you, we would end up somewhere quiet by the water where the waves crash down. Pineapple night is you trying to eat, trying to lay me down on Egyptian sheets. Are you playing to win or are you playing to beat? The last level I ever experienced. Anything you want, you got it. But if I say start to you, boy, then please don't stop it. I ain't even gonna get lyrical. Wait till we get physical. This time I knew, looking at you, we would be right here, laying by the ocean side. I know I needed somebody who could just keep me grounded. You are the only thing that's on my mind, and I can't stand it. I never wanted love, you know I didn't plan. But since we already here, can I leave you astounded? Pineapple night is you trying to eat, trying to lay me down on Egyptian sheets. Are you playing to win?
So the first thing I did in the shower was I washed my edges out with water first, and then I put the Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Shampoo in. And then for the back of my hair, because usually I don't shampoo with this, it's just because I just perms or relaxed my hair, so I couldn't use my normal shampoo. But my normal shampoo is Head and Shoulders because I get really dry scalp. So I did this in the back of my head because I couldn't touch the front because I would burn like crazy. And this really helps. So if you guys have dry scalp or itchy scalp, try the Head and Shoulders Itchy Scalp Care. I just conditioned once, and that was with the Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Conditioner, and I rinsed it out with cold water. My hair has been drying for a little bit. I'm gonna let it continue to dry. I'm gonna put a little bit of I be forgetting all these names. A little bit of One and Only Argan Oil. And as you guys see, my hair is shorter. I did tell y'all I cut my hair, and this is how my edges came out. Like this. Not too straight, but definitely relaxed. I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a little bit more while I do my makeup, and I'm gonna put that on camera too. While I do my makeup, and then I'll blow dry it and start styling my hair.
Baby, there's something about you that really caught my eye. I must admit I want you, not even gonna lie. So girl, let's make it happen, but we can't tell the soul. If you with it, let's go. Girl, you'll be my secret love. Nobody has to know that you're my secret love. Just keep it on the low, 'cause you can't blow, girl, you can't blow up my secret. Yes, I believe in love, but I love to feed my love. You know just what I'm craving. Come give me all your love. You know my girl, she gon' be tripping if she find out what we doing. Oh, but you know the deal. You're my secret love. Nobody has to know that you're my secret love. Just keep it, 'cause you can't blow my cover, baby. Girl, you can't blow my secret love. You are my secret love. You are my secret love. You are my. Step to step off the scene with my nigga Jose. And I sent the shawty crib for some role play. I gotta chill cause I'm swerving on the interstate. Yeah, I'm drunk in love, Beyonce. She think I'm with the cool, perfect getaway. But I'm coming to you so we can fornicate. Now don't be falling in love and dirty M&A. I know life ain't easy being
Okay, so this is my braiding pattern. I have where my part is gonna be right here. Sorry, I have where my part is gonna be right here, and that's where it's gonna lay. Like right here, it's gonna be the front of the closure, and the rest of my anchor braids, my anchor braid, I should say, and the rest is just braided going back like this. So nothing too special. Normally what I would do is put a stocking cap over my braids, but since I don't have one or I can't find it, I live. I'm gonna just line it up with where I want my part to go, which is right here. I'm gonna be parting out just a little hair at the front so I can sew behind the hairline. So not too much, like a little sliver, not even a lot of hair at all. So this is the little bit of hair that I'm going to leave out. I'm going to sew on the part right behind it. I do have a video on this, a more detailed video, so if you guys want to see that, you can, I'll leave it down below. Make sure I have it lined up where I want it to be lined up. And I'm going to start sewing. And you want to sew horizontal, not vertical, and that way the thread won't easily be shown. So I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side. This is how it looks so far. Now I don't like how it looks, so I'm going to kind of customize it to my scalp because it's not lining up properly. When you leave your closure like this, it kind of makes you look like your edges are really thin and then your part is really thick. So if your edges are thinner, which they don't really have to be, you don't really have to have thin edges, but naturally your edges are going to be thinner than your than the rest of your hair, and your closures might be a little more dense than your normal hair, so it kind of looks odd. So what I like to do is put some black eyeshadow right here and right here, so it can just fill in and it won't look as harsh like no hair to a whole bunch of hair. I just match the density of my closure. Right at the beginning of it. And you can see it's filling in already. I like to go in to the front where the lace is, just to hide this the color of the lace, so it can just look like hair. Normally I don't like using concealer on parts because it just looks really bad, like really bad, especially when people use heavy concealer on their parts. I just don't like it. But this concealer actually is really like light, so it doesn't, it's lightweight, so it really doesn't cover anything really. It's kind of just, I don't know, I don't like it on my face like that, only on the top of my eyebrows, but I really don't use this to conceal anything because it doesn't do anything. But for my part, it works because it's very lightweight and it doesn't look too harsh. So I like to put that right at the beginning and just go all the way back so it can be one even color. And blend it out with my finger. And now it looks better. This is how the hair looks right now. So I'm gonna curl and wand it on camera, and I'll just speed it up and come back.
Drinking in love songs, he got me up all night. Yeah, down and out with these love songs, he got me up all night. Got me up all night. Okay, back when I was sleeping in my mama crib. Even back when I was up there in my Muhammad crib, paying $1,700 for the rent. Money well spent, no heater, but a nigga made heat. Man, they ain't had a thing for you. Even wrote the song Dreams for you, cause I had dreams for your thoughts of a ring for your childish shit. You know childish shit. Anonymous flowers sent, you know coward shit. Now a nigga's on a hoe, took a power trip. Back home, I'm grown now, and the city's my throne now. The same clubs that I used to get tossed out, like got crisscrossed, totally crossed out. Cause now I'm in this bitch and I'm totally bossed out. Old dudes crying cause they know that they lost out. But I'm still on you, still on you. My drinks bet on me while I've been on you. I'm saying, would you believe me if I said I'm in love? Baby, I want you to want me. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? Baby, I want you. We are. Got me up all night. We are. I'm singing this love song. We are. Cause you got me up all night. Yeah. We are. Got me up all night. Hey. I can feel the changes. I can feel a new life. I always knew life can be dangerous. I can say it like a challenge, yes, and new to me is painless. You don't know what pain is. How can I paint this picture when the colorblind is hanging with ya? Fell on my face and I walk with a scar. Another mistake living deep in my heart, buried on top of my sleeve in a flick. I can admit that it did look like yours. Why you resent every making of this? Tell me your purpose is petty again. Even the small light can't burn a bridge. Even the small light can't burn a bridge. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? Baby, I want you to want me. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? Baby, I want you. I am the sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I could feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I won't share it, but today I'm yelling. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Yeah. Oh. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
So guys, this is the end result and I hope you guys like it. I'll turn around so you guys can see. It's so pretty. I love this hair. I love this hair. This is Sheenas Hair Emporium Natural Wave Virgin Indian. It's so pretty. I hope you guys liked it. Thumbs up if you did, and I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll come back with a review on this hair. These people have been mowing since 9 o'clock this morning. I couldn't sleep. Now I can't make a video. So this is how my hair looks after I wand curled it. After I wand curled it last night or yesterday morning or afternoon. The video you just saw, basically. This is how I slept. Some of them came out because it's kind of like afternoon now, and I was just waiting till they stopped mowing so I can do this video. This is how I slept in twist. So I just want to take them out on camera to see how they look, show you guys how they look actually. And let's see, I think these are the waves I really wanted to begin with. The waves I did yesterday were too tight, but I knew they were gonna drop, so that's why I just did them tight like that. And I apologize for the noise in the background. just don't understand. I really don't understand why. Like, why must this happen every week? This is how it looks, and this is kind of the look I wanted to begin with, but now I have it. So I'm just gonna take some oil, my favorite oil, one and only argan oil from Sally's, and just put it in the hair because I don't know, I just like the smell, and I like oils in my hair because it just makes the hair feel better. But you don't need too much because it's Indian hair and it will weigh it down if you put too much. And this is how my hair looks without having to do any single curl, one curl to it, nothing. I just went to sleep with these twists in my head, and this is how it came out. If you guys enjoy videos like this, let me know, because I have no problem making videos like this. I really just don't know what you guys really want. If you want a specific tutorial or anything, let me know down below. I'm gonna curl just the front pieces a little bit. I want it to have more definition in the front. And I'm gonna take my brush, which I love so much. I'm telling you guys, you need to go pick up this, like, stop talking like that. You need to go pick up this brush because, like, it's the best brush in the world. Like, for combing out hair in the shower while it's dry, for curls, this is the best brush ever. And this is the QT Performance hairstyling brush from Flat Iron Experts, and I do have a couple products that I will be reviewing soon, so stay tuned. This brush is amazing. And there you go. That is how. And this is the final look, you guys. This is what I really wanted. And I'm happy. I got lipstick all over my teeth. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe, and comment if you like. And I'll talk to you lovely people